HPL330hg high-speed intelligent electronic panel saw equipment is MARS featured machine for multi-layer sheet cutting. In one time it has 1. Saw carrier speed can be adjusted from 0 to 100 m per minute, maximum cutting thickness up to 110 mm. 2. Independent main and auxiliary saw blade matching. Smooth cutting. 3. Pneumatic mechanical clamping device. Automatic feeding. 4. Connectable with intelligent automation whole plant production line. 5. Auto feeding. Optimization layout. Human-machine interface. Highly efficient and stability. This machine is available to changed speed, which can be adjusted according to customer requests. Panel Furniture Production Solution. MARS is your #1 choice.